Okay, this is my Module 8 assignment, which is a hybrid RVR/CVR system for a domain, which is a rule-based reasoning and case-based reasoning system. So we will be using the provided Prolog program that was in the module resources and modifying that to show a different scenario. So the one that was provided was about a potential terrorist attack. I decided to change the scenario to make it be about determining whether or not someone is procrastinating doing their homework, which I would never do ever. So we have an event database, which we have a person named John who has visited Facebook, a social media site, many times. We have the time quantity here, and we have other factors such as, so we have frequently visited social media site, the visited URL, which we're using Facebook in this event database, watching TV, if he's near the couch, and if he's being lazy on the couch. Or if he's on the couch, then he's being lazy. We have a couple of rules. We have, if a person is watching TV, then they are not reading a textbook. I mean, I guess you could do that, but we're pretending. We also have, if a person is not reading a textbook, frequently visits social media sites, and has visited the URL recently during what we're calling homework time, then we have a potential procrastinator. We are using a temporal rule to determine whether these things are happening during our homework time. We have a situation template which says if there's a potential procrastinator, or there is a potential procrastinator if we have a procrastinating subject near the couch, being lazy, and the couch is comfortable. In this case, we have the expectation that the person is being lazy with the problem that they are potentially procrastinating, and a solution would be to move to a desk, which has the result with a degree of success good, which we all know isn't necessarily true, but for the purposes of this assignment, we will pretend that moving to a desk will actually make you do your homework. We will be using a threshold of 0.5, which means we need at least half of the events to be occurring before we consider this an actual possibility, meaning that the person is procrastinating. So, if we then go and run this program, we will see we have the inferred event not reading a textbook. So then we end up with a potential procrastinating person. Then we go through our situation. So we have the potential procrastinator. We have a degree of support of 0.75 because we have that he is a procrastinating suspect who is near the couch and being lazy. What we don't have is whether or not the couch is comfortable. I'm not sure why this part got messed up here, but what we expect is that the person, who is G860, is lazy. The problem is that this person is potentially procrastinating. The solution would be to move them to a desk, and the result should be degree of success good. So as you can see, this was modified from the terrorist attack situation to discuss a potential procrastinator. And I believe that is it for my assignment. Hopefully this works because I've been having so many technical difficulties. And that is all. Thank you.